Make a great choice today with
The 2016 Tacoma. Toyota Tacoma boasts a roomy interior and excellent off-road capability and has been named the best-selling compact pickup by MotorIntelligence.com 5 years in a row. This vehicle has less than 115,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, cruise control, electronic stability control, trip computer, power windows, fog lights, CD player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.